Hi, in today's video I'm gonna be testing and I'm gonna give you a review on a SCIGOLD AA and AAA battery charger, and I also have two sets of the batteries. So the charger doesn't come with any cables, which is kind of weird, but I have a bunch of cables, so it's not a problem. So you need to connect USB-C connector, and once we connect it, we get some kind of a lights going on, but really you don't see anything on the display. So it's a little bit easier to see the display on the instructions. So basically this is indicators that we're gonna have. So we have discharge, we have charge. Only those two type of batteries can be charged. So right here we have a charging indicator, we have a echo, which is trickling charge, and then we have a recovery mode. Let's go and put one battery in and let's see what's gonna happen. So now here's the indicator of charging status, charging, and there's the type of the battery. If I click set and then hold it, now we can choose which battery we can do charge. So we're going to charge not 4 but only this one, so I'm gonna click good. And now when it's blinking you can change the default MA, which means basically the speed. I don't like to charge it really fast because when you charge it fast the batteries create a lot of heat and that's not good for the battery. So I really like to charge it with as low as possible, which is great that you can do that. So 200 mAh is gonna be just fine. If you're in a situation where you really need to do it fast, of course, absolutely, you can go up to 1500 mAh and then you can charge it super fast. So I'm gonna choose 200 and I'm gonna press set. Now once I click set, now I see that the battery is charging. So the great thing about this, as opposed to other chargers, is that you can individually charge different banks in a battery, and you can charge regular AA's or AAA's, and you can, I believe, set the different MAs for different banks. So I'm just gonna put another battery that I have received for this testing purposes. So the most common chargers always allow you to charge the same batteries either in pairs or all in 4 banks. This one is unique because it allows you to charge individual. So let me just put regular AA's in this spot right here. So now we're getting indicator that I'm getting this battery charge at 200, and you can see the line going to the right, and it's basically fluctuating, telling us what is the current MA charging power and what is the voltage. So this is the information from the back telling us that we can supply the power of 5 volts and 2 amps. I believe that probably if it's gonna be lower than 2 amps, you may not have enough power to charge the batteries, and also the type of batteries that you can charge right here. So now I've been charging the batteries overnight, so it looks like the left one is already charged, and you can see when this little line goes to the left, it shows that the battery is not charging anymore and it's just staying at the same level. On the right one, it's still charging. So the charger looks good, it works great. The one thing that I would change is, or one thing I really don't like about this, as you can see, the contactor right here is really pushed inside of the side of the charger. So as you can see, it is basically going inside and touching this body, which means it is super hard to remove it. You need to take some kind of, I don't know, maybe screwdriver to take it out. The same thing right here. There is no way I can easily just use my fingers to push it out. I don't know, maybe design can be improved, because in my opinion this metal part, the contactor, should be only outside, allowing the batteries to be removed a little bit more easy. So that's my only complaint. Once we put the batteries on the charger, the charger the charger automatically detects the batteries, and we are charging them at 200. This one is charged at 500. So we have 1.4 volts. Wow, that's a lot, because most of the rechargeables, they only charge up to 1.2, which is great. So that means I have a little bit more power, and they are more, and this is 1.3. So that's still a little bit more than what I've used to have before. So as you can see, AAAs are rated at 1.2, but you actually have 1.4, which is great. And right on the bottom it says that they're supposed to be 3000 milliamp hours, which actually they have. AAAs, they are rated at 1.2, which actually they have 1.29, and they are supposed to be 1000 milliamp hours. And there's also one more very convenient feature on this charger, is that you have a recovery mode. So this charger can revive your old batteries, those rechargeable batteries that normally are not gonna be able to charge. In some chargers, in order for you to go and recharge those totally dead batteries, is to put them in the charger that is going to force a little bit charge on them, and then you can revive it. So you can try doing that in this charger. I've tried on a different charger this kind of mode, and it does allow me to get some charge, although if the batteries are really old, I'm not really sure if reviving those type of batteries in the long run, it really makes sense for the price of the fresh rechargeable batteries. So in summary, SCIGOLD charger is pretty good. You can charge individual cells. You can do 2, 3 or 4. You have ability to charge the batteries with different currents, which is very convenient if you want to go really fast or slow. The battery is really good. They have a little bit more juice than regular rechargeable batteries. The one thing that I would like to change is the ability to easier to remove the batteries. And another thing that I want to point out, you don't need extra power. All it basically it uses is regular USB-C connector and regular 5-volt USB supply. So you can use it on any trip. You don't need any special supplies. You can use it also in different countries. So give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Thanks for watching, guys, and goodbye.